Imagine you're a teacher, a parent, or a club facilitator, and you finally found a great STEM activity online, but it's scattered across 10 tabs. A PDF here, some slides there, a code file buried in a Drive folder, a video link in a doc, and you're left stitching it all together right before the lesson starts. That exact pain is why we built Learn as You Explore Hub. It's a simple, secure place where our learning packs live and where you can actually use them smoothly in real life. If you want to try it, the link is in the description and pinned comment. The idea is straightforward. Once you log in, you land on your dashboard and you can browse learning packs that are ready to teach. We call them learning packs because each one bundles the materials for a session. Sometimes that's a video walkthrough, sometimes it's slides you can present, sometimes it includes code or downloads, basically whatever that activity needs. When you open a pack, you get a clean pack page where the resources are organized. If the pack has slides, you can open the slide viewer right inside the hub, and the experience is designed for teaching. Simple next and previous navigation, fast loading, and a full screen button for presenting. If there's code included, you can download the code bundle directly from the pack. That's especially helpful for the programming activities. You're not hunting for the final version link or wondering if you've got the right file. And if there's a video, you'll see it alongside the pack content, so you can play it at the right moment in your lesson without bouncing out to a bunch of different platforms and losing your place. The hub is built so we can keep improving the learning packs over time without breaking the way you access them. So if we add a slide, update the code files, or include a better supporting resource, you don't have to relearn a new process or go hunting for a new link. You just come back to the same pack in the same place, and it's simply better than it was before. So who is Learn as You Explore Hub for? Classroom teachers who need a reliable lesson flow, parents who want a guided activity they can actually run, and clubs or after-school facilitators who need something that works even when time is tight. The hub is meant to reduce setup friction so you can focus on the fun part: teaching, building, experimenting, and learning. The other important piece is that the hub is intentionally focused. It's a clean, practical portal to high-quality learning packs. I'll be adding new packs over time, so there'll be plenty of new things to try. If you have feedback, like what would make it easier to run in a classroom or what kinds of packs you want next, please comment below. I genuinely want to hear it, because that feedback directly shapes what I build next. So check it out today. Go to hub.learnasyouexplore.com, create an account, and explore learning packs. Subscribe to the channel to be updated on new hub features. Welcome to Learn as You Explore Hub. I'm excited for you to try your first learning pack.